years for you.
Kaseng Kongres ka jala kala Ujor Pyrshah ya ka Shongknor jong ka State Women Commission ikong pidalia toy ibay benta haka rally election na kabenta ukertong kaseng NPP na juway uba welat mikishala. Katay kaseng kala Ujor ru halor ka jingta ya ki poster jong umentri rang badu kari Narendra Modi umentri katanar ki kampo ye u Amit Shah bad u president ka BJP u JP Nada hakal leng ka nong ba shalong. Nakalyang u CEO uba FR Shongknor ulapan dikenal buun sa Shimkya ya kajing tokit halor kini kabenta.
A political appointee, but we'll have to check the rules, and we'll also have to check the veracity of the complaint. So right now, until I get something in black and white, it would be premature for me to say anything. Once I get the report from the district election officer, and once I get a reply from the person being complained against, then the matter will be clear, and based on that, then further action will be taken. But I cannot give any presumptive answer right now.